there is a bit of bad news for us. One person in Shillong has been tested positive with COVID-19. He is a doctor in Bethany Hospital. The past record and how this happened, I will share with you at another time. But it was quite surprising for us because it's been quite many days and it should not have happened. Nonetheless, we have a challenge now in front of us. But let me assure you that we are fully prepared for it. We have already quarantined and completely closed Bethany Hospital, both in Nongpo and in Shillong. And we have asked all the patients, all the staff, everybody working there to be quarantined within the hospital. At the same time, we have appealed to all the people from Shillong city, especially who have visited Bethany Hospital, to immediately inform us, if they have been visiting there. And after the contact tracing is done, we will be testing all the people who have been primary or secondary contacts with the concerned individual, which will take us about anything between 24 hours, 48 hours to maximum 72 hours to find that contacts. And then after that, we will be testing all of them. So this is what the situation is. I will update you very soon on the next few steps, what we'll do. But as of now, my appeal to all of you is to kindly speak to all of your people also and ask them to be cool and calm. There's nothing to worry. Government was already prepared in all aspects, and we have already taken all the steps, and we will ensure that this doesn't move forward. But for this, we need the people's cooperation, and the most important part will